Good morning. Well, I am Rajneesh, and here I am already finished your chapter 1, and that was the poem of the Ruskin Bond. Here today, my lecture is 22, class 8, literature reader, and the chapter Rajan and Money. It has been written by the R.K. Narayan. Mind it. R.K. Narayan, chapter 2, literature reader. Here, before going into this chapter, we must know about the story writer. Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami 1906 and 2001 was the popularly known as the R.K. Narayan. He was the well-known the English writer in the English and known for his the fictional work which conclude the thematic trilogy. Here you must understand the thematic trilogy. Trilogy means in that particular drama or a play or a story, it having the minimum the three body and three different character. And theology means three different concept. Means three different concept is being dramatized by basically a three different person, that is called thematic trilogy. Swami and the friends which this extent is the taken. Other the popular works include the acclaimed The Financial Except the Guide made into the film for the Bollywood and the Hollywood, The Dark Room, and the completion of the short story Mughlai Days. These are the value addition of the R.K. Narayanan by setting his story in the fictional town of the Malgudi. The Narayan created the immortal character who popularized the India and the Indian writing into the English in the West. You can say the Narayan is the only person who propelled the Indian writer, and by the account of the chief Indian sense of a writer, the Mr. R.K. Narayan made an entry for the Indian writers also into the Western world. Narayanan won the Sahitya Akademi Award, Filmfare Award, Best Story for the Guide, Padma Bhushan and A.C. Benson Medal and the Padma Vibhushan, and was nominated for the Nobel Prize for the Literature several times. Even the quality and the name and the fame of the R.K. Narayan was on such a level that sometimes he was also been a point of international figure for the receiving the Nobel Prize. Here, a beautiful classical trilogy, theology of the Rajam and the Money. Here, river Sarayua was the pride of the Malgudi. Basically, this story is being played in the Malgudi. Malgudi is basically an area. There is a river Sarayu, and it was come the 10 minutes walk from the 11th street. If you will take the 11 minutes walk, you will be reach there. At last street of the town, this is the final street of a town, chiefly occupied by the oil mongers. Oil mongers means basically the person who deals in the oils, because that particular area there is the very heavy cultivation of the telan. It's sand bank where the evening resort for all the people of the town. Basically, this is the area, and the maximum dose of a sand is a very important invitation point for the localite and even the visitors in that particular area, especially in the evening or in night. The municipal president took my distinguished visitor to top of the town hall and proudly pointed to him to the Saryu in the moonlight and the glistening like a silver belt across the north. Basically, in a night or something like, you can say that the evening, the municipal corporation, any distinguished visitor, any person who comes there who is very important in that particular area, it looks wonderful to have the view of the river, something like a river belt at the evening, if you will take a very good view from the point of the municipal building, especially in the evening. The casual evening crowd was on the stand. As you know, the sand is a very invitation and inviting point for the visitors. The Swaminathan and the Mani sat aloof on the river step. There was some steps, and after getting down the river was the flowing. There the Swaminathan and Mani was sitting silently with the leg dangling in the water, and their legs were well set in the water. The people branches and the overhanging the river resulted pleasantly. The maximum inclination of the people tree and the stem was a taking kiss to the river. A light breeze played about the bog and the scattered statty leaves and the guiding the stream blew. In the meantime, the sum of the very high dose and the low dose of a air, the sometimes the branches scattered and the leaves was also giving the effect and gliding into the water. Birds fleet with the air with the cries. Birds is also making their attendance there. Far away there, the Nepal's mango grove. Nalapal's mango grove. This is the area where you can have a very good production of the mango grove. A little downstream, a herd of a cattle was the crossing river. There, in that very time, a herd of a cattle in a very good assemblage was the living and the crossing the river, and then the country cart drawn by the bull cart passed. In the meantime, bull cart also passed, Indian type bull cart, Desi bull cart. A cartman the humming in the low tune. The cartman is also making a sound like the horn does on that particular area. It was the some 15 minutes past sunset, and there was a soft red in the west. In the western side where sun is to set down, there was a very reddishness, and 15 minutes past sunset. It is a 15-minute more time to pass sunset. The water runs very deep here, does not it? Ask Mani. Yes, why? The water is the flowing very deeply here. Does not it? Mani asked. Mani is the putting a question before his friend. Yes, why? I am going to bring the Razam here, bundle him up and throw him into the river for a good drenching. Actually, my interest, my hidden interest that I must call Razam here, so that I put him into the river. Just I want to drench him into the river. Razam was the fresh arrival. Razam was a fresh arrival in the first. Actually, there the Rajan was the first arrival of a first. He had substituted into the class on the reopening day of the second term, walked on the last bench. Actually, he came there and he generally used to sit on a last bench, sat beside Mani and felt very uncomfortable. And he was the sitting with the Mani, but he was not very much comfortable. Indeed, till Mani gave him the jab into the ring. And he was not uncomfortable. How long? When he gave a jab. The means of the jab to put the forceful hit in his ribs. And as you know, the ribs is what? And which is the return? Which he returned. He had impressed the whole class on the very first day. Actually, in the very first day, he impressed all the boys of the class. He was a newcomer. Actually, he was a newcomer. He dressed very well. Today, his the dressing sense is the wonderful. He was the only boy in a class who wore the socks and the shoe. Today, he is the only boy in the class that who wore the socks and the shoe and the fur cap and the tie and in a wonderful coat and the clinkers. And the wonderful coats and the clinkers. Clinkers is the something type a robe. He came to the school in the car. Actually, he reached the school by the car. As well as all his, he proved to be a very good student. Actually, these all the things is the giving the sense that he is a very good student and he comes from a very luxurious and very notable family. There was a vague rumors that he had come from the English boys' school somewhere in the Madras. It is also rumor there that he is coming from a Madras and he has come here in a great English school. He spoke very good English and exactly like the European. He speaks English like the European, which meant a very few in the school could make out what he said. It means in that very classroom or even in the school, he will be less known by very less people because he talks in a European English. Many of his the classmates could not trust themselves to speak to him. The level and the degree and the name of the fame of this boy was so much high, even the classmates was not talking to him because it was the well perceived by the class and the other classes that he knows English better in the European manner. And this fond of the broken English being a small. Only Shankar, the genius of the class, but in this class, this is the only Shankar who had a courage to face him, who can talk to him. And though the English sounded halting for a week before that of the Rajam, by this time the Rajam is not a very much comfortable. The Rajam was a rival to the money, as you know by this story. Rajam and the money is a rival. He behaved the money with the certain non-challenge. Non-challenge, the meaning of the non-challenge is the difference. There is not a very soft and a good relationship between the Rajam and the money. Which money was not used to. Money is not very much known to. If the money jabbed, Rajam jabbed. If the money clouted, he clouted. But the affection was the both in the Rajam and the money, both of were in the habitual mode of the jabbing and the clouting. If the money kicked, he kicked. If the money was the overload of the class, Rajam seemed to be nothing less. Both having the same type of the behavior to each other, and add to the all, this is the fact that the Rajam was a regular 70%, but the Rajam was a good earner of the marks. He was the regular receiver and the earner of the 70%. Sound only the Shankar. Second only to the Shankar, after Shankar. And there were the sure indication that the Rajam was a new power in a class now. The Rajam has become a new power in a class. Day by day, the money overlooked on, and it was becoming the increasingly clear that a new means had appeared in his life. Now, the thing was of that very class, there was a Shankar and the Rajam, but new means new challenge, new certain problem has germinated there, and that is a person who is talking like the European manner. All this lay behind the decision over the river, step to the bundle of the Rajam and throw him into the river. But all this lay behind this decision on a river step to the bundle of a Rajam and throw him into the river. But always, even in the mind, Rajam had to be dazed. Swaminatham expressed the slight fear. In the meantime, though, Swaminatham having the some apprehensive fear. You forget that his father is the police superintendent. Do you know his father is the police superintendent? And the money remained listened for a while, and they said, what do I care? Some night I am going to kick the soldier and show him what I can do with my clubs. One day I must show what I can do with my clubs to Rajam. I would keep out this way, and reminds me, he added, you are in need of the little warning I find. You are hanging about the Rajan a bit too much. In the meantime, there was always talking, don't behave like this, you are always taking and you are always dogged after the Rajam. This is not a good thing. Well, have a care for your limbs, that's all I can say. Behave like properly, think like properly. Since tomorrow I will discuss and I will go from the next to this point. By today, I discussed about, this is the matter, this is about the author. Second, I started from here, and just I am closing my words up to the here. Thank you very much. In the meantime, stay in your home.